Hey YouTube, Doobie-Doo here. In this video today we are going to be making a chunky fresh mango cake from scratch, of course. If you enjoy my cooking videos, I do all of my cooking on live stream, completely unedited. If you want to see the mess ups and the fails, come through to a live stream one day. Check out some of the fun and some of the laughs we have together. Remember to like, subscribe, and share the channel so you don't miss out on any of the fun action. Enjoy the video, guys, and have a good day. Alrighty, let's get this mango cake underway. We're going to cross hatch our mangoes. We're going to pop them out TikTok style. Real pretty, you know. One of the funnest ways to cut a mango up. Half cup and 2 tablespoons of flour, very precise. We're going to come in with our baking powder, 3/4 teaspoons in the bowl. A little bit of cinnamon, not too much, just for flavor. We got a hair of salt. You must have salt. Without salt, you got no flavor. Tiny bit of nutmeg, just a pinch. Let's mix those dries together. Get them all nice and meeting each other. We got our half cup of sugar. We're going to get the wets together. A 1/3 cup of canola oil. We'll get it all oily. 1 large egg, of course, split in a bowl. Just in case we get shell in there, we're good to go. And then we beat all the wets together. Once fully combined, you can set that aside and grab your dries. And we're going to gradually beat the dries into the wets. We're going to take a little bit of time with this, a little bit, mix it a little bit. You want to get that nice and homogenized together. Now that we've got that all put together, we're going to grab our mangoes and we're going to gently fold the mangoes into the batter. Once we have those mangoes fully incorporated and fully covered, we're going to grease our pan, get that ready. And once the pan is greased, we are going to grab our fully finished batter and we're going to fill that bad boy right up. Not missing a single little tiny bit of that batter. You want to get all of that up in there. Every last bit of it. Now that we've got the batter in the pan, we are going to pop that in a 375-degree oven. And here you go. Out comes the finished product. We'll hit a little bit of icing sugar over the top for taste, a little bit of sweetness. Of course, for look, too. You want to make it pretty, you know. We could have put a fork or something on the top, put a nice little design. And then all that's left is to slice and to serve your freshly baked cake. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. It's definitely worth a try. Pretty simple recipe, especially if you have some fresh mangoes laying around that need to go to use in something. I hope you all enjoyed. Remember to like and subscribe, guys, and have a good rest of your day.